you look at the connected shopper in terms of just enabling that experience within the retail store, there's actually three components to it. Is the connected shopper, just as important as enabling the sales associate. And how do you empower IT to be able to deliver that experience across the retail environment through a secure network and set of applications that are experiential in nature?
You need to take advantage of the fact that all these smartphones are being used so many hours per day. You have to use that device, and you have to understand it. So I've got to help it get a connection. I've got to get it on the internet. I've got to get it on my network. I've got to make that easy. I've got to make that experience flawless. Connect once, next time it sees me, it knows me, recognizes me, welcomes me. Approximately 95% of the retailers have wireless today. It's typically made for supply chain, receiving, stocking shelves, price checked. It's different when the consumer wants to connect. The biggest app right now for in-store use coming out from every grocery company is a shopping app. The application's not residing on my phone, it's actually in the internet. If I can't get to the internet, I can't grocery shop, I can't fill my cart. My wallet's full, I have a list of items I want, and I can't get to the list. If you look at grocery, they know what you buy every week. Constantly you buy the same things. They know what your tastes are. They have as much information, or I'd say a lot more on food than any online retailer. So they're the first ones chasing that dream right now of building the analytics organization to know where to help take you. I've said this to many CIOs. If you knew if one of your top 100 customers was in the parking lot of your store, your manager, if the manager knew that, what would he do or what would you want him to do? So if I could tell you, if I could communicate to you that one of your top 100 customers is there, or that that customer has these buying habits, has done this before, has bought this, you'd change, the sales associate, the manager would change their approach to that customer. So Motorola is trying to offer the solutions from guaranteeing everything works when the store opens, solve the consumer's problem as they walk in, connect them to the network, allow them to get all those QR scans, let's say, get to all the applications, shopping lists, everything. The internet has definitely changed their world. They need to change. There's a lot of things they can do. They can solve the problem and grow through this, but they need to become innovative in their thoughts. They need to change what they did yesterday, today.